If you're a crypto bear, you might want to look away, because this week has been a wild ride for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, with all three soaring to their weekly highs. Bitcoin, in particular, has been on a tear, rising to over $62,000 after hitting a 21-month low earlier this week. This sudden surge has left many crypto shorts reeling, and it's a testament to the unpredictable nature of the crypto market. The fact that Bitcoin can bounce back so quickly from a low point is a reminder that this asset class is still capable of surprising even the most seasoned investors. But what's driving this rebound, and is it sustainable? One key factor is the broader crypto market's ability to shake off negative sentiment and keep on trucking. As Bitcoin goes, so goes the rest of the market, and with Ethereum and XRP also making gains, it's clear that investors are still bullish on crypto's long-term prospects. However, it's worth noting that this rally may not be without its challenges, and we'll be keeping a close eye on how it plays out in the coming days. Moving on, we've got a fascinating story about Bitcoin exchange inflows, which spiked to a whopping 49,000 BTC in a single day. This rare surge is being seen as a sign that more volatility is on the horizon, and it's got many investors on high alert. So, what does this mean for the market? Well, when we see a surge in exchange inflows, it can indicate that investors are preparing to make some big moves, either by buying or selling. This, in turn, can lead to increased volatility, as the market responds to these changes in sentiment. It's a classic case of watch this space, as we wait to see how this plays out. Now, let's switch gears and talk about Ethereum, which is undergoing a bit of an identity crisis. It appears that the Ethereum ecosystem is splitting into three distinct power centers, each with its own goals and priorities. This is an interesting development, as it could lead to some exciting innovations and use cases. We've got Ethereum Institutional, ETH and other players all vying for attention, and it's clear that the Ethereum treasury firms are keen to support at least two of these power centers. This fragmentation could ultimately be a good thing, as it allows for more diversity and experimentation within the Ethereum ecosystem. In other news, Ether and Solana are also extending their gains, thanks in part to a short squeeze that's lifting Bitcoin towards $62,000. This is a great example of how the crypto market can be highly interconnected, with movements in one asset affecting others. As we've seen time and time again, a short squeeze can be a powerful catalyst for price movements, and it's no surprise that we're seeing other assets benefit from the momentum. Finally, in a story that's sure to raise some eyebrows, Irish authorities have seized another 500 Bitcoin, bringing their total for 2026 to 1,500 BTC. This is a staggering amount, equivalent to around $92 million, and it highlights the ongoing battle between law enforcement and crypto criminals. It's a reminder that, despite the many benefits of crypto, there are still those who seek to use it for nefarious purposes, and it's up to authorities to stay one step ahead. And that's all for today, but tune in next time to find out how a major Wall Street bank is planning to launch its own crypto trading platform, in a move that could mark a significant shift in the mainstream adoption of digital assets.